My first point of contact would probably be my line manager, Fiona Neal. But I also know that Anna's available if there's anything else I need. Any questions that Fiona can't answer, then I know there's somebody there to help me with. We've had quite a few good activities sent to us that we use in class. I'll talk about those in a bit. I use the online English Welsh translation on the active desktop. I find that very useful, just for sort of vocabulary areas that I can use with students. And in terms of support, if I have needed anything, it's easy to approach Fiona and Anna as well. We've had a lot of good training as well, which has been really useful. And I'm trying to implement some of that in my classes at the moment. So yeah, there's plenty of support for us there, I think. We've had incidental Welsh training last month, and we had two, in fact. One was a bit too high level, possibly for our students, but the more recent one was very good, very much more active, that we can use actively with our level of students, being ESOL students, non-native speakers. And incidental Welsh is what we need with our students. We can't really translate or have whole translations of texts and so on, but a few words dropped in here and there is great for them, great for us, and that's what the incidental Welsh did for us for the training. So it was really useful. Really enjoyed it.
Great.
I learned a lot myself as well. So.